In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Binance. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate from a simple Google search to locating and copying your Bitcoin deposit address inside Binance, with clear tips to keep things smooth and secure along the way. Start by opening your browser and searching for Binance. From the results, click the official Binance website. Look for the correct Binance.com domain and a secure padlock in the address bar. This helps ensure you're on the legitimate site before you do anything with your account or funds. Once you're on the Binance homepage, head to the wallet icon, typically located near the top right of the screen. That icon takes you to the main wallet area. From there, choose Overview. The Overview page is your central dashboard for balances and transfers, and it's the best place to begin any deposit or withdrawal. On the Overview page, select Deposit. You'll see different funding paths here. Choose Deposit Crypto, which is the option specifically for bringing cryptocurrency onto the platform. This is different from depositing cash or fiat, so make sure you're on the Crypto tab before continuing. Next, you'll see a coin selector. In the search bar, type Bitcoin. This filters the list, so you can quickly find the right asset. When Bitcoin appears, click it. You should see Bitcoin labeled with its ticker, BTC, so you know you have the correct coin selected. Now, open the Select Network menu. This step is crucial. Choose the BTC network, also labeled as Bitcoin or BTC. Networks like BEP20 or others may appear, but if you're receiving from the native Bitcoin chain, you must pick the BTC network to avoid lost funds. Network choice affects compatibility, fees, and processing time, so always match the sending and receiving networks. With BTC selected, your deposit address will appear. Click to copy the wallet address of BTC. As a best practice, double-check the first and last few characters after pasting it into the sender's app or wallet. You can also use the QR code if the sending wallet supports scanning. Only send BTC to this address. Other coins or networks won't arrive. Bitcoin deposits don't require a memo or tag, so the address alone is sufficient. And that's it. You searched for Binance, opened Wallet Overview, chose Deposit, selected Deposit Crypto, picked Bitcoin, set the BTC network, and copied your BTC deposit address. Pause the video if you want to follow along step by step, and always verify details before sending any funds.